Hey, good afternoon. We are back to do another review, and I actually cooked today. So we are doing a blackened Alfredo. We are trying out this Bertolli creamy basil Alfredo. So we're gonna go into that. I didn't turn my light on. So we're just gonna get into it. I used ramen noodles for the noodles. And then a little bit of that, and then I have a blackened chicken. So I don't know how well you can see it there, but we are just going to get into it. It is a very thin piece of chicken. I've been making blackened chicken sandwiches and stuff with it. I got it at the store, I don't know, last week I think. But let's try this, the noodles. That is very good. And then with the extra blackening spice on there, that is really good. It's very hot. Yeah, I mean the chicken cooked like 2 minutes. I mean it's so thin. You could do like chicken cutlets and whatnot with this. So let's see how this chicken is. Just cut it right on top. I probably don't even need a knife, but if I needed it, I wouldn't have it. So, all right. So it's just regular blackened chicken. It's amazing. This Bertolli stuff. It's 100 calories in this thing. So, I mean, it's okay. It's decent for a store-bought sauce, you know. Like I said, I do not keep milk and cream and stuff like that in the house regularly. So this works for me. I'll eat that for a month. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, I don't really need that. It's very good. And I could have put the you know, the flavor packet from the ramen noodles. I could have put that in there, but then, you know, I wouldn't be able to. It wouldn't be the same, which is probably just as good. It might be a little salty though. I find the regular generic ramen packs, they're just too salty. I usually use like maybe half or 3/4 of the packet, either way. So, but yeah, it's good, quick, easy blackened chicken Alfredo. It's phenomenal. I have been doing absolutely nothing today. A whole bunch of the same thing I do every day, most of the time. But as you can see, it is still steaming hot. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see. It's still steaming hot. Super hot, especially under the chicken. But like I said, it is a very thin piece of chicken. Super, it's like almost paper thin. but it's darn good. I'm thinking I might do a sandwich with a couple of these chicken fillets, I guess you want to call them. And then the Paul Prudhomme's blackening seasoning. That is like the best stuff I have ever found. I was looking around in my playlist today, and I was looking at my cooking with or the tribute to Kay's cooking. That is like a whole bunch of just shorts. So maybe when I do the sandwich one, I'll actually try and record a video again. But yeah, I don't like how my cooking stuff comes out just because of the way I gotta set my camera up. Maybe I'll figure something else out. I don't know. But this is pretty good. I could have put more Alfredo sauce on it, but it doesn't need it. Yeah, I bet I don't even need a knife for this. Nope. Nope, no knife needed. I probably could have done 2 of those on here. But anyway, that's it. That is my brief video for today. I had all this stuff at the house, so save money when you can. So I'm gonna get out of here. I hope everybody has a fantastic day. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.